Add durable powder-coated aluminum elegant look of thin 1/8 inch stainless steel cable to your home with the innovative Skyline cable railing system, available exclusively at DecksDirect.com. This line helps emphasize your outdoor space while opening your backyard view. Here's a piece-by-piece guide to everything you'll need to get the original and alluring railing for your home. The Skyline system begins with solid posts measuring in at 2.5 by 2.5 inches with a pre-welded base plate at the bottom for secure mounting. These posts are the key to a strong, lasting cable system as they won't bend or move under cable tension. These posts arrive with pre-drilled cable openings for a faster installation time with less measuring and tools required. Posts are available in 4 different types to help create the cable layout of your deck needs. Choose from a quick connect end post, a terminal end post, a line post, and a line crossover post. Each run of cable will require a quick connect end and a terminal end post to allow for correct cable hardware to be installed. All posts within the run will either be a line or a line crossover post, depending on the top rail method you'll be choosing. Want a continuous top rail in the middle? A line crossover post will be shorter, allowing you to continue your top rail throughout as well as add a drink rail if preferred. A standard line post will rise above the top rail, allowing you to add post caps or lights as you see fit. Skyline posts will be labeled at the top of the post when you receive them to ensure they're laid out properly. Included in post kits are coordinating post skirts, leveling shims, and a post cap if doing the standard post-to-post install. Connecting the posts are going to be the Skyline top rail kits, available for both level and stair applications. These kits are created for 6-foot-long sections and will include a top rail, brackets, and installation hardware. The top rail itself features a level squared bottom and sides with a gently rounded top face for comfortable grasping. If installing a top rail kit at an angled application or dividing a top rail kit to cover 2 railing sections, extra brackets will need to be purchased. The Skyline cable swivel level top brackets, Skyline cable fixed level top rail brackets, and Skyline cable fixed stair top rail brackets are sold in packs of 2, along with all installation hardware to perfectly accompany each section. One of the most ingenious cable railing solutions is the Skyline cable corner kit. Eliminating the need to block your view with double posted corners, the Skyline cable corner kit allows you to make a 90-degree turn without a hassle. Including an 18-inch top rail section, 2 45-degree angle brackets, and all necessary hardware. Maintaining the stability of your posts as well as your view has never been easier. Recommended at every 3 feet are intermediate baluster kits. A 3/4 inch wide powder-coated baluster keeps your cable tension and in place to remain building code compliant year after year. These kits include a pre-drilled baluster, 2 baluster mounts, and all installation hardware. The infill between the posts is none other than the Feeney cable rail kits for Skyline, cable you know for a brand you trust. These kits are available in 5-foot increments up to 70 feet in length total. These kits feature 1/8 inch stainless steel cable with a pre-swag threaded terminal end, a quick connect fitting, a snug grip washer nut, and 2 nylon washers, all of the hardware you need for a cable run together in one package. Lastly, there are several stylish options available to polish off your Skyline cable railing. Protect your hardware with cable rail end caps by Feeney. Colored end caps are a vibrant option to cover and shield your fittings, or the stainless steel end caps are offered in 3 stylish designs for a decorative covering. You may also choose to add lighting such as the Magina Star ornamental post caps to brighten your space. Or perhaps adding a drink rail with Skyline drink rail adapter can help your guests feel more comfortable. The ability to express your unique style and brighten your deck to life is endless with the Skyline cable railing system. in stock and exclusively available only at DecksDirect.com, helping people build better decks.